Hey folks, thanks for clicking away from Lawrence of Alabia. I got a viewer request to take this motor apart from the previous video. So it looks like we got some kind of a tin cover here with some peen marks. That's how they secure that. That's going to expose something up underneath here. And there looks to be some kind of a heavier gearbox here. This thing's got an extreme amount of gravity for the size. I mean, it weighs more than I don't know, kilo I don't know. It weighs about 1.5 pounds. So we'll take it apart, see what broke. Most of the time when something breaks, I don't really give a fuck why it broke. I just fix it and move on to the next thing. But since it was a viewer request, I will oblige him. I'll keep this short, I promise. Now, if I'm sizing this up right, this shouldn't take any more than my shoemaker's hammer. I'll just take a little stab at each of the peens. That might be too big. Let's see. Shoemaker's hammer. Oh, fuck. Folding it over. God damn it. Alright, drive it home. Fuck it. Get that peen out of the way. There we go. Just take the whole fucking thing off. Fuck it. Alright, so that exposed the motor. Didn't do me any fucking good at all. Well, we got more peens on this thing, so maybe the motor separates from here. Let's see. Get a little love tap there. Obviously, I don't care about this thing. I'm not going to fix it. Just bought a new one. Oh, shit. Yeah, see, this is why I don't do fucking tool reviews. I'm a fucking total retard when it comes to shit like this. And all I'm going to do is put a fucking screwdriver through my hand on a Friday. I just fix shit. I don't fucking take shit apart. But, hey. Viewer request, a viewer request, right? Oh, that was a good one. Alright, let's see if I got the strength for that. Just switch hands here. There we go. That's kind of what I was hoping was going to happen. Take that thing off. Keep it nice and sharp. Alright, so... Yeah, not really sure here. Might be a snap ring under this bushing. Let's see what's what. It's just turning the whole fucking thing. Ah, fuck. Alright, I guess we can go like this. Behind one of the... What do they call that? A commutator? Oh, I see some daylight now. Wait a minute. Might be getting somewhere. Might be getting somewhere. Oh, she's fucking twite. That was my hand. God damn it. Alright, I don't think this was designed to come apart once it was built. Let's see if I could take this thing out. Maybe not. Fuck. Alright, well, I know some fucking idiot put this thing together, so I should be able to take it apart. I'm giving it all she's got, Captain. I don't think I'm getting this thing apart. Maybe we need to go bigger. Ow! There's my fucking hand again. God damn it. Yeah, so fuck if I know. I don't know how to take it apart any further than this. I could start digging at this, but I'm at the point where I'm going to get stitches, so fuck it. Oh. Ha. Well, this is kind of interesting. The fit between those two gears is looser than a $2 horror on Nickel Night now. Curiosity's got the best of me. I'm going to try my best not to put a fucking screwdriver through my hand and have to go to the ER, but just for shits and giggles, let's see if I can pull this one apart just the way it was on the other side, separating that tin from the casting. Oh yeah, come on baby, come on. Oh yeah, we got a good pop there. Alright, that, oh, there you go. Alright, so I was right. Here's a pinion. Alright. Pinion. Poorly lit pinion. Very fine teeth. Looks like it might be missing one or two. No, they're all there. Then side here. Oh, it's like a fucking Swiss timepiece. What? Oh. Got a big magnet? I just had some kind of reaction here. It was kind of magnetic. Just gonna pop this apart. Come on. You fucker. Shit. Looks like there might be a little snap ring here. My garage is poorly lit. It's just a grease mark. There we go. She pops off. Holy fuck! Look at that! How pretty! Jesus Christ! Look at the fucking timing on this thing. It really is a fucking Swiss timepiece. Obviously, there's the problem. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 metal gears, all of them being brass, except this one, steel. Then we got some Bakelite gear for some reason. Why the fuck did they make that Bakelite? Oh, it's got another steel one underneath it that drives this guy. And that gear broke off. What the fuck? I wonder if that was by design, so that thing fails. You know, intentionally, so you gotta buy a new one or a new furnace, probably. It's gotta be. Why the fuck would they make this whole gearbox brass and this one Bakelite or fiberglass, whatever the fuck material that is? Looks to me like it's Bakelite. Let's see. How cheesy is this shit? Oh my god, it's like breaking off a fucking Ritz cracker, for fuck's sakes. Alright, thank you corporate America for that. I'm glad that at least there was an aftermarket parts department that was able to supply me the parts so I could put the furnace back in service instead of having to buy a new one. But man, what the fuck, right? Look at that. Alright, well, whoever requested that I take this thing apart, thank you. I'll go back and I'll give you credit at the end there. Cool. Thanks for watching. Fucking piece of shit.